Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to use remote assistance in Windows. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Remote assistance allows another person to view or control your PC remotely to help troubleshoot issues. Unlike remote desktop, it requires user permission before a connection is established, making it ideal for tech support or assisting friends. How to connect using remote assistance. First, on the remote PC, ensure remote assistance connections is enabled. Our video on how to allow or block remote assistance connections in Windows might help. The link is in the description below. To get help, in the search box on the taskbar, type remote assistance and select invite someone to connect to your PC and help you, or offer to help someone else. Select invite someone you trust to help you. Select one of the following. Save this invitation as a file and send it to the helper along with the password. Use email to send an invitation if available. Use Easy Connect if available. When the helper tries to connect, you will need to accept the connection request. To give help if someone has requested it, go to the search box and enter remote assistance. Then select invite someone to connect to your PC and help you, or offer to help someone else. Select help someone who has invited you. Select one of the following. Use an invitation file. Select the file you received, and then enter the provided password. Use Easy Connect if available. When you try to connect, the inviter will need to accept your connection request. Difference between remote desktop and remote assistance. Both use remote desktop protocol, RDP, but serve different purposes. Remote desktop allows full control over a remote PC, logging in as if you were physically present. Best for remote work or server management. Remote assistance lets a helper view and assist with troubleshooting but requires permission from the user. Ideal for tech support or helping friends. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.